Hello, amazing first grade learners. I'm going to review the words and sentences that you're going to see on Friday's test. Let's go ahead and get started. S and sun, S, S. N and nest, N. D and dog, D, D. K and cat, C, C. And tent, T, T. W and wagon, W, W. P and pig, P, P. O and lion, L, L. K and kite, K, K. M and monkey, M, M. I and inch, I. E and elephant, E, E. A and apple, A, A. And umbrella, U, U. E and equal, E, E. And octopus, O, O. I and ice, I. E and sheep, E, E, E. And ring, N, G. K and duck, C, K. I and dime, I consonant E, Th and thimble, T, H. Sl and slide, S, L. St and star, S, T. Coal and cloud, C, L. Sk and skeleton, S, K. Br and bridge, B, R. And suffix ing, ing. Our first word is insect. Insect. Feel free to pause the video and say the sounds. Sanding. Must. We. Sleep. Brisk. With. Long. We are going to be spelling with the K sound. Remember, we use CK when it's followed by a short vowel sound, as in A, E, or I. We use the letter K when we have a consonant and then the K sound, or we have a vowel digraph. We use KE when it's followed by a long vowel sound. So when the vowel says its name, most likely we will use the KE. Or we will use C when it's at the end of the word with 2 or more syllables, like in garlic, sonic. Here we have KE, or the I consonant E rule. Like. Clock. clock, clock, clock. Our heart word is does, 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 does. Bin, 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 bin. And we will talk more about the heart words during class. Remember, when you write a sentence, start with a capital letter, use finger spaces, end with punctuation, and always use your best handwriting. Our first sentence says, he has been resting at home. Our second sentence is asking a question. Does the clock ring at 10? Let's review our sounds, and we'll do this quickly. S and sun, n and nest, d and dog, k and cat, t and tent, w and wagon, p and pig, o and lion, k and kite, and monkey, I and inch, e and elephant, a and apple, and umbrella, e and equal, a and octopus, I and ice, E and sheep, ng and ring, k and duck, I and dime, th and thimble, sl and slide, st and star, cl and cloud, sk and skeleton, br and bridge, and suffix ing. I hope this helps you study for Friday's test. Happy studying and do your best.